or treat? You gonna trick or treat?
Go show them your bucket, Madeline.
Let's see your pumpkin.
Go show her your pumpkin.
Come here.
Go show her. Go show her. Come on.
Here.
Come on up, Madeline. Let's go show her your pumpkin.
Candy.
Oh, she's gonna put something in your pumpkin, Madeline. Oops.
Do you want some candy? I'll move the ear out of her face there.
Oh.
Do you want some candy?
Oh.
You want some candy? I know Mommy does.
Yeah.
Yay!
Hold out your bucket and say trick or treat.
Come here. Can I put some in your bucket?
Go up here.
Let's put this. Yay!
Good job.
Here's from 2 doors down.
Oh, there's more. There's Eric's Reese's pieces.
Here's more.
Oh.
Chicken Twizzlers. Here, I know Mommy can do these.
Gonna say whatever
Let's put these in.
Oh my goodness. Gee whiz, you are scoring.
Yay! Is this her first house?
Yeah.
Oh, exciting!
Madeline, can you say thank you?
Can you tell him thank you? Tell him
How
thank
old
you.
is she?
16 months.
Oh, so sweet.
Can you tell him thank you? Say thank you. Tell him thank you. No.
Yeah, I'm too fascinated with
She's
what's
like,
in
I
it.
got
Oh, yeah,
I
they
got
are.
something
Too
in
cool.
here.
I gotta
Yay!
wrap it up.
When's her birthday?